The next phase of the local vaccine effort is now underway, with at least one private health centre administering close to 30 doses of vaccines on Sunday. The initiative comes after the government allowed selected private entities to administer vaccines. Now our news team visited one of the private vaccine facilities on Sunday. More Jamaicans received the COVID-19 vaccine on Sunday, but instead of going to one of the public fixed vaccination sites across the island, some Jamaicans opted to use one of the private health centres approved to administer vaccines. The Winchester Surgical and Medical Centre is among 11 such facilities.
We are very proud to, give our community service as well. And so we invite people to come. It is free to the public.
Sasha K. Hudson says her second dose was due last week, but she was unable to make the appointment. A regular patient at Winchester, she said she was relieved when her Sunday doctor's appointment turned into a vax appointment.
I was legit gonna be trying to find somewhere in the week to go get that done. So you understand how perfectly just coming here today and having this going on today worked for me, and I got through in no time.
Another patient explained that he took his first jab at the St. Joseph Hospital. However, the Winchester Medical Centre was in close proximity and would be less crowded. It's residents like these that the Ministry of Health is hoping will use the new vaccine facilities. But doctors say more private facilities should be utilised, as this could save the government from dumping vaccines.
Well, Winchester had actually applied to become able to come and give the vaccine, because we realized that the numbers were at the arena. Numbers were, a lot of people were turning up, and they had to wait hours, and some of them had to leave. So this should have been part of the program, get the private sector involved, that more people can get a chance to get the vaccination.
The Ministry of Health was forced to dispose of 60,000 vaccines because there was a low take-up and they expired. A woman who recently contracted COVID was eager to take the jab following her ordeal. She's encouraging Jamaicans to take the jab.
I caught COVID back in August, and honestly what I went through, I don't want to go through it again. And the symptoms are horrible, and if your body is not healthy, COVID is going to kill you. I did my necessary checks with my doctor. I came to Winchester. They counted the time frame from when I caught the COVID until now. So they're saying it's 6 weeks. So I'm over 6 weeks. So it is okay for me to do the vaccine.
The ministry says almost 500,000 Jamaicans are to get their second dose. The 11 private health facilities are expected to help ease the burden on the fixed sites and to increase access to the vaccines as the government pushes to inoculate 1.9 million Jamaicans by March 2022. The country reported 25 new COVID-19 deaths on Saturday. The deaths occurred between August 23 and October 1. The latest deaths pushed the overall tally to 1,909. According to data from the ministry, 340 Jamaicans have died from the virus between September 1 and Saturday. 313 suspected COVID-related deaths are still under investigation. The country also recorded 284 new cases of COVID-19 on Saturday. The number of positive cases now stands at 84,701.